We now in this almost towards the final parts in linear equation in two variables. After completing discussions on all the kind of topics under this chapter, we are now into taking up few questions from the past papers. To do so, let me just write down the first one. It has to be now solved, which is x by a plus y by b equals 2. This is in a fraction form, and the other one is ax minus by equals a square minus b square. Now to do so, this one is not in the format, so let me just take up the LCM. By doing so, I'm getting this as bx, this as ay, and to cross multiply I will be getting a 2ab. So I'm getting bx plus ay equals to 2ab, and let me just write down this equation here. So it is ax minus by equals a square minus b square. Let me try to multiply something with this so that it gets cancelled. And what do I get cancelled? This a with b, so that I multiply and get this as aby, and thereby multiplying this as aby. I'm sorry. Sorry. So if I do so, let me also take it up as minus. By doing so, I'm getting b square x plus abx equals 2ab square, and if I subtract, I get minus a square x plus it was y then, so it would have been y here as well. So it is aby. This equals, if I multiply a minus a, so that gives me a minus a cube plus ab square. Now changing the signs. This getting b square x plus a square x. This gets cancelled, and that I get as ab square. This is plus a cube, that's minus ab square. Now out of this two, I can take x common. That leaves me with b square plus a square. This is equal to now 2ab square minus ab square gives me only 1ab square plus a cube. Even then I could have taken, okay, in the next step let me take a common from this, so I'll be left with b square plus a square. A square, b square, that's getting b square plus x square, that's getting cancelled. So we get x is equal to a. We need to find the value of y, substituting this value of x in any of the equations. So let me do it in this one. So b into x is a plus ay will remain as it is plus 2ab. So ay is equal to 2ab minus ab, that moves on to the other side. Thereby ay is equal to ab, y is equal to ab by a, that's giving us b. So we got our solution x as a and y as b for the two given pair of linear equations. Move on to another solution. This is not again a word problem, this is more about solution. We will better be taking a few solution questions and then move on to any of the word problems, the long ones. So I'm choosing question from the past papers under CBSE. Again this says solve the following. I didn't write that part, maybe I can write it here. Solve the following. Thereby the equations given are a minus bx plus a plus by equals a square. Don't worry by just simply looking at it. Once you start solving, you'll see it takes you one step to the other. Just have to build up that courage and quickly begin solving it. Okay. A minus bx plus a plus by equals a square minus 2ab minus b square or a plus bx plus y a square plus b square. Okay. Now this one can also be written in this format. See, what I can write is x multiplied to a plus b plus y also multiplied to a plus b. If you look, this is now in the format of the first equation, plus b square, that the right hand side remains same. Now let me just write down both these equations in the same form. The first one being, I'll just draw a line here. I'm getting a minus bx plus a plus by equals a square minus 2ab minus b square, and the one we found we derived, it's a plus bx plus a plus by equals a square plus b square. What do we do if you directly subtract? Because this a plus by will get cancelled. Let us do, this is minus minus minus. Once this get cancelled, what is left with us in the LHS is a minus bx minus a plus bx. On the right hand side, it is a square. Oh, this a square gets cancelled, isn't it? Yes, this a square is getting cancelled, thereby leaving us with a minus 2ab, oh god, minus b square minus b square. If I remove this, right it here, let us take x common out of these two, we'll be left with a minus b minus a minus b after removing the bracket, and thereby making this minus 2b square. Again this get cancelled and we left with minus 2bx is equal to minus, now if I take 2b common from this side, I will be left with an a minus b. Again if you see, this 2 minus 2b minus 2b is getting cancelled, this will then be plus. Okay, so we are getting x as a plus b. Now as because we have got a plus b, we will now have to substitute this x to find the value of y. So let us now substitute in this equation. Suppose this was 1 and this was 2 for us. So if we substitute it, we are getting a minus b, and in place of a x we substitute it by a plus b, plus rest of the equation will remain as it is, a square minus 2ab minus b square. So this is giving us, if we remove the bracket, it is a square minus b square, a square minus b square plus a plus by equals a square minus 2ab minus b square. I'm sorry, excuse me. Now I can carry this getting cancelled, this is also getting cancelled. I'm left with a plus by is equal to minus 2ab. In that case y becomes minus 2ab by a plus b. This is a solution and this was a solution. So x is equal to a plus b, and at the same time y is equal to minus 2a by a plus b. I hope you got that, you followed it. Now I move on to another question in the next screen, because this hasn't left me with much scope. Oh, God. I will be taking again another question on this kind of solution. Maybe the next session we take up more on word problems. It says, okay, it says x plus y by 2 equals 4, and it says x by 3 plus 2y is equal to 5. So x plus y by 2 equals 4 and x by 3 plus 2y is equal to 5. In this case, what happens is, if I take LCM, I will be left with 2x plus y equals 4. Here though, I will be left with 6y equals 5. See, slowly we are progressing towards the linear equation form, and that becomes, or that makes our task easier. So 2x plus y equals 8, and x plus 6y equals 15. Now if I multiply maybe this by 2, the two equations will be 2x plus y equals 8, and it is 2x plus 12y becomes 30. If you subtract, it becomes easier. I get minus 11y is equal to minus 22, thereby giving me the value of y as 2. It is 22 by 11. I can now proceed to find the value of x. See, the question, if you look at, seem to be in fraction format, but it's very simple once you solve and by taking the LCM. Let me represent this, replace this y here. So x is equal to 15 minus 6y, that gives us 15 minus 6 into 2, so 15 minus 12, that gives us 3. So 15 minus 12, that gives 3. Okay, so x got to be, I need to write here, x got to be 3 and y got to be 2. Herein, let me give you one question to practice or for you to solve. Which question? I give you a very simple one. It is x plus 2y equals minus 1 and 2x minus 3y equals 12. I would suggest you try to solve, oh that's 12, doesn't look like 1. 12, solve it graphically, and I guess you would surely find the value of x to be 3 and y to be minus 2, but you need to solve that graphically. Hope you get it right. Thank you.